record for me. Yay, it's recording. Okay, so maybe I could do it this time and not fail. Okay, I will leave my glasses on and not throw them off. I threw them off because they slipped down my nose. And then I remembered that I had to be able to see the video. And then I tried to put them back on while still doing the dance. And it failed. And I almost slapped my friend in her face. Covering your mouth doesn't hide the rest of your face. Okay, so go try this again. And hopefully this time I won't fail. You have terrible videos, Tabitha. I swear to God, I will punch you. Never dance in the room again. You had to speak, Tabitha. You had to speak. Okay, so that's the hi. The dance that Sarah and I will be doing.